Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to update your software on an iPhone. Apple constantly improves their features and security, which is why it's important to have your software up to date. Okay, so we're going to head on over to the settings. In my case, you can see the settings right here, but if you are having trouble finding the icon, you can always swipe down like so and search for settings. Just type it in there, and as you can see, the settings icons appears right there. Just click on it, and after that we're going to go to scroll down, hit right here where it says general, and the second option says software update. Click on that. Okay, as you can see, iOS 16.1.2 update is available, and below that it explains what exactly the update is about. You can hit the learn more button right here to get more details, and as you can see, if you scroll down, there's also another iOS update available. You can choose between those, but if you don't want to worry, just select the more recent iOS update, which is the 16.1. Okay, so we're going to hit the download and install button right here. After that, you're just going to insert your password, and it's going to start updating, and you're good to go. And that's it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more tips like this.